What is up, you guys? Jacob is back here, back with another unboxing. I'm out here in fabulous Santa Monica. I'm about to unbox this Supreme box logo hoodie that I've had for quite some time. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I got this online manually, which is really good. I'm lightly surprised that I got it manually because this sold out in like a couple. Ooh, it's hella nice. So what we got here is our Supreme stickers and then the box logo. I'll have some more close-up photos and everything coming up, but let me go ahead and put this on. So this jacket fits a little bit snug, so if you like it kind of loose, I suggest going up like half a size. Short, easy video, but I'm gonna have close-ups of how this hoodie looks, how it feels, how the fit is, and let's go ahead and get right into it.
Trench work.
I got all these diamonds on me. VSVSVS. Look at all them diamonds on me. VSVSVS. What did diamond do to Mac?